Guys, today I want to give you an update about what's going on with Bitcoin, what to expect next, how is Evergrande doing right now, and is it likely that we are going to continue to go down here? Well, that is definitely the topic of the video. We're also looking at traditional markets, we're looking at gold, we're looking at Ethereum, and we're looking at some altcoins. And perhaps even the most important thing in this video is that I'm going to show you my exact strategy here. I posted this on Twitter yesterday. So yeah, if you are not following me on Twitter, that's a good idea, but I'm going to go through it in this video as well. So welcome back everybody, my name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And with that said, I actually want to begin with my tweet here I posted yesterday. And I said yesterday, almost 21 hours ago, a lot of people are expecting a major crash right now. These are my buy-in levels, and this was right after I had done my previous video. So I think the Bitcoin price was at like $44,000 or thereabouts, $43,000. And these are my levels, guys. $42,000, I'm buying small. $36,000, I'm buying more. $31,000, I'm buying big. $26,000, buying a lot. $20,000, at that point I'm almost all in, and if we get down to below $20,000, well, then I am officially launching my OnlyFans. So I guess it's a win-win either way. Either the Bitcoin price goes up or you get to, enjoy the OnlyFans. But here's the thing, yesterday, these are the 4-hourly candles, and yesterday we did see a drop down, or technically today, we did get a drop down through the orange box. But look at this. The bulls defended this like with their last breath here. The bulls defended this level. We rallied. I mean, this was a serious dump. I mean, from this candle here, we did go down by 8, almost 9%. So we did see a big rally, and we closed right on top of the red line here on the exact dollar. So if you bought inside of the orange box, you're already sitting at profit. But one thing we also need to consider is this. During the last 3 days, we have gone down, and at the bottom here, we went down by almost 18%. So that's a significant drop. And I am not going to, I would never suggest anyone to, this is not financial advice, but I would personally never sell into massive support like you're seeing right here. You already know about this. This is what we did down at $30,000 as well. We defended the very vital red line at $30,000. Down here, we bounced out of it many times, but this was ultimately just a good buying opportunity. Now, I'm not telling you to go all in because we don't know what's going to happen here with the Evergrande situation. As you already understand, I talked about this in many videos already. I think it's overblown. I think that the Chinese government are going to bail them out. And I don't think that we're going to see that big crash in the stock market a lot of people are anticipating. But here's the thing, we don't know. So you have to prepare for every scenario out there. So what I'm doing, as I said, buying small here and buying as we continue to go down and adding to my hodl position. And then eventually we're going to go up, and that's going to be all fine. We will see about that, but nice to see this big rally, and nice to see the orange box here and the red line once again being a very, very vital support level. Flipping on the moving averages real quick here, we can see that we are below all of the moving averages on the 4-hourly time frame. On the daily time frame, we are down below, well, we got the 100-day moving average. Actually, we're above the 100-day moving average, the purple line right here, but we are below the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Now, flipping back over to the 4-hourly time frame, the Lux algo, it did tell us right here to get out of the market, and yeah, this was at 40. Well, this candle right here at $46,000 approximately. Now, here's the thing. I think that this is, about to flip green as well. So that's a much better buy than buying up here. So as you know, as we were approaching the orange box here, I did tell you that this buy is probably not a good idea because we are right below the massive resistance here. Now, the different thing now, if we do get the buy on the Lux algo, is that we're actually right at support. So that's a better, from a risk to reward standpoint, play to make. But then you also have to consider that the markets are shaky right now. And no matter how good the Bitcoin charts are looking, no matter how bullish you are on Bitcoin in the long run, short term, if we do see a meltdown in traditional markets and in Evergrande in this particular case, well, that's going to spill out on crypto as well. And here's the thing. Evergrande, since yesterday, we did see the drop when they opened up Monday. Yesterday, we did see this drop, this particular drop right here. Since then, it has been going sideways. So, every investor in the world right now is basically holding their breath right now, because if we do see another big drop in the stock here, that's probably going to signal more panic in the traditional markets and thus also the crypto space. Now, we did see also a drop down from the support level on traditional markets here. This is the S&P 500. Very important support level right here. We did see that drop, but then we saw a rally. We rallied up, met some resistance here, but then eventually rallied above it. So that's at least a good sign that we're seeing this rally. Let's see if we can stay above this level, because it's actually pretty important to stay above this level. You can see the significance of this level right here. Massive support. We do not want to lose this in the traditional markets. So maybe it's gold's time to shine. Well, gold has been going up a tiny bit, and by tiny, I mean literally like 1%. So this is still, this is every gold bug's favorite scenario, right? Stock market going down, uncertainty in the market, and the crypto going down as well. So what's gold doing? Going up 1%. Let's be honest, gold is not going to, give you those 100x returns. So I wouldn't get into gold at this point. I would probably just, be in crypto and, have enough fiat on the sideline. So, maybe 50-50 allocation, maybe a, 60% crypto allocation, 40% in stable coins, and then just buy as we're going lower. Because if you're able to scoop some up at, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, I'm not saying that we're going to get that low, but I'm just telling you, if we're able to get down to like $20,000, the rally back up to $40,000 and $60,000 is going to give you more returns than gold here, because gold is not going to go up by 200, 300, 400% in the coming years. I don't think so, but maybe Peter Schiff will be able to prove me wrong. So moving on, Ethereum is looking decent here. I mean, Ethereum is finding some support off of the $3,000 line. And yeah, I mean, let's be honest, the whole crypto market is following Bitcoin right now. And when it's uncertain where the direction of Bitcoin is going to go, drags down the whole crypto space. The only thing that is a good thing right now in the crypto space is Rainicorn, because they did something massive yesterday. If you follow me on Twitter, you already know this, but Riverstone Capital actually got invested in Rainicorn here. So this is the reason. There's a reason why I've been pushing Rainicorn so much the last couple of months. And yeah, I mean, it's really unfortunate timing that the market is just taking a big dive, but Rainicorn still doing good. And here's the thing, we got in before the big VCs. Usually it's the other way around. The VCs get in and they dump on the retail investors. But for everyone who have been following me, we got into Rainicorn before the big VCs. And yeah, I think this is just going to this is still small. I mean, it's at $30 million in market cap. This is going to continue to go up, in my opinion. We will see about that, but so far this has been a very, very good opportunity for everyone who got into Rainicorn. Big congratulations to you. I'm going to continue to look for the next big gems to cover on the channel, something I see a lot of potential in, and hopefully can have the same kind of progress like Rainicorn did. Now, again, unfortunate that the market is going down. If the market were not, taking a big dump, I think that this would today easily be at least 10 cents. So yeah, really unfortunate, but they're going to continue to build. They're going to continue to push. So I'm not worried too much about that. Guys, that's what I got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment section. I will see you in the next one.